What's going on, Instagram? It's your favorite skater's favorite skater here, Ed Duff. How you doing? I'm gonna teach you how to kickflip boardside, all right? Don't be afraid to throw the foot out. You wanna know how to kickflip and know how to boardslide and be pretty comfortable with both of them, and probably know how to frontside flip somewhat too. And then you're gonna wanna come at the obstacle a little bit further away than you think. Ollie, kickflip, get that thing right to your feet where you're comfy, and don't be in the back seat. Lean forward, put that board on there, do your board slide right away, and that's it, man. That's all I know how to do. So
you think you're gonna take it down that handrail?
For you, man, yeah, I'll take it down the handrail. That's how you do it. Yo, so now that you guys know how to kickflip board, hello.